So this is just a real quick video saying, all these products I always show on the RV channel. I just want to make it clear that you don't need everything on here, and really you don't need anything. I mean, we're talking about going out camping, and my goal on the channel is to show you options for camping, to make things easier. The older we get, the more we want a little cushionier bed, air conditioning and things like that. So that's what the goal of this channel is. It's not so you go buy, the biggest, best RV you can find out there and, get a 20-inch mattress. It's not, that's not the goal of this channel. The goal is to show you all these options for camping. Because, if you want to go camping like when we were kids, we just went out with, actually we took a sleeping bag and that was it, when we were kids. But, the older we get, the more we want something to be cushiony on our backs because we don't wake up the greatest anymore in the morning. So that's the goal here is, I want to show you options, and you don't need all these options. You don't need solar, you don't need a giant battery pack, and you don't need, technically you don't even need an air conditioner to go camping. None of this stuff is necessary to go camping, but I just want to give you great options for camping because, the older we get, the more we like having air conditioning and be able to still go out there and go camping. It's not that we're not camping anymore, because we got air conditioned RVs. It's that we still want to go out there. We still want to see the world. We still want to, get a little adventure out there. But we want to wake up with not a sore back and not dripping with sweat. We're a little older now. So that's the goal of this channel is, show you options. If you do need to buy these things, to make life a little more comfortable when you're camping, I don't want you to go out and buy a massive amount of batteries, giant air conditioners, giant generators, because you've seen my generator. It's only a little tiny 1,000-watt generator. It's really small. And it's the only, I know I'm trying to do a sales pitch. I'm not making any profits on it, but I just want to let you know, it's only a 1,000-watt generator, and it's 4-stroke, which means it's quiet. So let me get off that subject. I just like the generator. So that's my goal. Go out there and enjoy camping, and not have to spend a lot of money. So if you did want air conditioning, I don't want you to go spend 1,000 amp hours of battery to get air conditioning. If you wanted a cook stove, that's electric, I don't want you spending, $100 on a cook stove that you don't need, because you're just using it to cook. Same with camping chairs. You don't need these massive camping chairs, but again, you need comfort. So that's my goal. I know this channel sometimes gets a little detailed on certain things, and I just want to make sure that it's not about the equipment. It's about getting out there, and that's my goal. Get out there and have some fun with this, and we'll see you next episode.